Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to my presentation on the fascinating literary exploration of the Barbie movie. In this video, we will dive into its intriguing synopsis, uncover the literary elements that shape its narrative, explore the characteristic as the piece of popular literature, and discuss the social issue it addresses. Join us as we analyze how this iconic film weaves together storytelling, symbolism, and the societal commentary to create a meaningful cinematic experience. Okay, let's get started. For the first, I will explain the synopsis of the Barbie movie 20 and 23. Barbie 2023, directed by Greta Gerwig. It is a vibrant and thought-provoking journey through the whimsical world of Barbie Land and the complex realities of the real world. The film follows Barbie, portrayed by Margot Robbie, as she begins the experience peculiar change in her perfect doll life, disturbed by existential truth and cycle imperfections. She embarks on a journey to the real world in search of answer, accompanied by the ever enthusiast Ken, played by Ryan Gosling. In the real world, Barbie and Ken discover the stark contrast between their idealized existence and the complexities of human society. Barbie grapples with issues of identity, purpose, and the expectation please of woman, while Ken explore his own sense of self outside of his attachment to Barbie. Do those adventures lead to unexpected consequences as their presence disrupt the balance of both Barbie Land and the real world? The film cleverly intertwines humor, nostalgia, and the social commentary, exploring themes of gender roles, individuality, and self discovery. Through Barbie's journey, the story challenges stereotype, the celebrate, and the empowerment of being true to oneself. Barbie is not just a story, but about a doll. It is a poignant reflection on humanity and the pursuit of enthusiasm in a world full of expectation. For the next, I will explain the popular literature elements in the Barbie movie. Okay, next. The Barbie movie exemplifies key elements of popular literature that make it widely appealing and culturally significant. At its core, the film addresses relatable themes such as self identity, purpose, and the complexities of gender roles. The themes resonate with audience of all age, reflecting contemporary societal issues while remaining accessible. The narrative follows a uh, jour- familiar hero's journey structure, where Barbie embarks on the transformative quest to find her true self. This in um, this engineering storytelling approach, combined with a balance of humor and heartfelt emotion, ensures the film capacities at a diverse audience. A major factor contributing to the movie's popularity it is cultural resonance. It cleverly intertwines nostalgia with modern perspective, reminding the legacy of Barbie for a contemporary audience. Through pop culture reverence, vibrant visual, iconic fashions, the film creates an immersive and aesthetically pleasing experience. Additionally, the accessible language and witty dialogue make the film deeper message about empowerment and inclusivity easy to grasp without alienating casual viewers. The commercial appeal also plays a significant role in the movie's success by targeting a broad demographic ranging from children to adult. It serves as both entertainment and a platform for meaningful social commentary. Furthermore, it ties to the Barbie brand's and ties the culture and economic impact supported by extensive merchandising opportunities. Okay, so the Barbie movie exemplifies popular literature by combining relatable themes, enhancing storytelling, cultural relevance, and broad accessibility. It is not only entertain but also challenges stereotype, the celebrate and individuality. Solidifying it is plays a significant work in modern popular culture. Okay, next the literary elements in the Barbie movie. The Barbie movie employs various literary elements to carve a narrative that is both entertaining and truth provoking. At its heart, the film explored themes of identity and self discovery. As Barbie embarks on a journey to understand her purpose beyond the societal expectation, please you found her as an idealized doll. This theme is further complemented by an exploration of gender roles and feminism, as the story critiques traditional norms while celebrating individuality and environment. The plot follow a linear structure beginning in the utopian world of Barbie Land and transitioning to the complexity of the real world. This journey mirrors the classic hero's journey, complete with a moment of conflict, introspection, and resolution. Barbie undergoes a significant character development, evolving from the superficial representation of perfection to a self-aware individual development. Similarly, can transition from being a comic sidekick to a character exploring his own identity, the independence adding deep to his art. The setting in the film also played a crucial role in its storytelling. Barbie Land, with its vibrant and idealized aesthetic, symbolized societal construct and perfectionism, while the real world present a constructed reality filled with imperfections, the complexity, and human struggle. These juxtapositions highlight the tension between idealism and reality, serving as a central metaphor in uh, the narrative highlight. The symbolism is another key literary element in this movie. Barbieland represents societal ideas, while Barbie's physical imperfections symbolize the universal human struggle with Ken's uh, Ken's cowboy outfit. On the other hand, reflect his attempt to assert individuality and break free from his dependency on Barbie. The symbol add deep to the story, encouraging viewers to reflect on their own experience and societal expectation. Uh, the tone and mood of the film shifts seamlessly between humor, satire, and introspection, while the light-hearted moment in Barbie Land create a sense of joy and nostalgia. The the contemplative tone in the real world promptly reflection the deeper societal issues. Conflict, both internal and external, drive the narrative forward. Barbie's existential struggle and the imbalance of power in Barbie Land are central the story's progressions. So the Barbie movies use their literary elements such as theme, structure, characterization, setting, symbolism, and tone elephants. It's beyond a simple piece of the entertainment. By blending humor with a social commentary and introspection, the film offers a meaningful exploration of identity, societal roles, and the pursuit of self-expression, making it a standout work in contemporary storytelling. Uh, okay, for the last, I think I will explain the social issues in the Barbie movie. The Barbie movie delves into a range of social issues, presenting them in a way that is both true, provoking, and accessible. One of the central issues explored in the film is gender equality and societal gender equality and societal expectation. Barbie Land, initially portrayed as a matriarchal utopia, reflect a reversal of the real world's patriarchal norms, where women hold a position of power while men, like Ken, are relegated the background. This dynamic set the stage for a critique of traditional gender roles and highlight the imbalance often present in real world societies. In the real world, Barbie enco- encounters a challenge stemming from sexism, the objectification, confronting the societal perception of her as a symbol and unattainable perfection. This experience forced her grapple with issues of identity, self-worth, and unrealistic standard often imposed on women. Through Barbie's journey, the film addresses the pressure placed on individuals, especially women, to conform to societal ideas of beauty, success, and behavior. Maybe. Another significant social issues addresses in the film is the concept of masculinity and its associated struggle. Ken's character, as said, light on the often overlooked issues of man identity being defined in relation to woman. His attempt to assert dominance and individuality in Barbie Land highlight the effect of societal pressures on women to embody traditional notion of masculinity, uh, which often lead to insecurity and a lack of self-worth. The film advocates for a more inclusive and balanced understanding of gender roles, where both men and women can exist as equals, free from the societal construction. The movie also touched on issues of diversity and inclusivity by showcasing a variety of Barbie and Kens representing different race, body types, and abilities. The film celebrates representation and challenge the historical narrow image of Barbie as a teen, blonde, white doll. This commitment to diversity sends a powerful message about embracing individuality and breaking stereotype in modern society. So the Barbie movie uses the vibrant and whimsical narrative to address pressing social issues such as gender inequality, societal expectation, and the importance of diversity and inclusivity. By weaving this time into the storyline, the film not only entertains but also spark important conversation about how society views identity, gender representation, making it a relevant and impactful piece of the storytelling. I think enough. I think enough for this video. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the Barbie movie. We've uncovered the layers of its compelling story, its appeal as popular literature, the literary elements, and the important social issues it addresses. I think this film proves the even in the most colorful and whimsical world, there are meaningful lessons to be learned and powerful conversation to be had. We hope I hope this presentation has inspired you to look beyond the surface and appreciate the depth of storytelling in modern cinema. Okay, thank you. Until next time, keep exploring the story and shape our worlds. See you the next video. See you the